Hello and welcome to eCommerce Facts. Today, we're talking about a topic that's essential for every online business owner: determining your niche market. Whether you're starting a new e-commerce business or looking to expand your current one, finding the right niche market is key to your success. In this video, we'll cover the basics of niche market research and provide some tips and tricks to help you identify your ideal customers. So, let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by niche market. A niche market is a small, focused segment of the larger market. It's a specific group of consumers with distinct needs and preferences that are not being adequately met by the mainstream market. By focusing on a niche market, you can differentiate your business, build a loyal customer base, and increase your chances of success. Research. The next step in determining your niche market is research. Start by considering your personal interests and expertise. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? These are the areas that you'll enjoy working in and have the most knowledge about, which is a great starting point. Next, research your competition. Look at what other e-commerce businesses are selling and to whom. Analyze their target market and identify any gaps or opportunities in the market that you can fill. This can help you differentiate your business and find a unique niche market. Finally, use market research tools like Google Trends and surveys to gather data on consumer preferences and behaviors. This information can help you identify areas of growth and potential demand for your product or service. Target audience. Now that you've completed your research, it's time to define your target audience. Your target audience is the specific group of people that you want to sell your products or services to. When defining your target audience, consider factors like age, gender, income, education, location, interests, and buying habits. Keywords. Another way to determine your niche market is by using keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases that people search for when they're looking for products or services online. By identifying the keywords related to your niche, you can get a better understanding of what people are searching for and what they need. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to research keywords and see which ones have the highest search volume and competition. Testing. Finally, once you've identified your niche market, it's important to test your product or service before launching your business. You can use a focus group, survey, or beta test to get feedback from your target audience and make sure your product or service is meeting their needs. And that's it. We hope these tips and tricks help you determine your niche market and find success with your e-commerce business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to eCommerce Facts for more tips and advice on all things e-commerce. Until next time, happy selling!